Hello, this is Dhriti Ribi Goswami. I'm going to speak on the topic the importance of emotional health for a happy life. So I'm very interested in this topic and I've been reading books on this topic since class 6 or 7. It's not that I've started reading on this topic 2 days back to just give a speech on it. I'm already very interested in this topic. So first of all, let us observe what does a happy life depend on. So if we observe the basic difference between a happy person and an unhappy person, or maybe I can say between an optimist and a pessimist, we will observe that a happy person has more command over his thoughts, and as we know, emotions follow thoughts. A happy person has more command over his emotions too. So being emotionally healthy is just that. Being emotionally healthy helps us have more command over our thoughts, and ultimately it helps us lead a happier life. So an emotionally healthy person knows that nothing externally can upset him without his own mental consent. He is the only thinker in his world, and nothing can move him to anger, grief, or sorrow without his own mental consent. The suggestions that come from the outside world have no power over him except that he permits them to move him in thought negatively. So basically he knows that he's the master of his own thinking world and he's supreme in his own orbit. So according to me, this is the most important point for being emotionally healthy, because it helps us realize that we are supreme in our own orbit, and it helps us lead a happier life. And apart from this, being emotionally healthy also helps us work more productively, and it is also indirectly related to our physical health and social health too. So an emotionally healthy person is also physically and socially healthy, according to me. And I think so these are the most important points for the importance of emotional health for a happy life. So thank you.